Step into the sunshine, everything is alright. Life has just begun.
Paul ay sobrang trustworthy and loving. He's my best friend.
Drink it in, illuminate all these technicolor days. Clouds part, let's kick the gray. Green grass, summer haze. Let the sun kiss.
Kasundo kami sa isang palabas, which is yung Game of Thrones nga.
Saka sa laging inom sa labas. As an alakera.
The sunshine, everything is alright. Life has just begun. Step into the bright light, looking for a long time, ready for some fun. Into the sunshine, everything is alright.
Okay, ulit. Uy. Easy. Dahil nauna na yung PS5, hope you will like this. Something we can play together, then away pagtalo ka. See you at the altar. Love, Anna.
Step into the sun. Step into the sun.
I love. See you later. Ikaw umiyak. Iiyak din ako pag umiyak ka. Bye-bye. See you!
Step into the sun.
Love you! Paul, my love, today is the day we have been dreaming of and waiting for. The day we join our lives together in a celebration of love, commitment, and joy. As I stand here, I can't help but feel immensely grateful to be embarking on this incredible journey with you.
More than 5 years ago, nag-start tayo bilang magkatrabaho. Naalala ko pa noon, naging broken-hearted ako. Sinabi ko sa sarili ko na siguro yung trabaho na lang siguro yung mamahalin ko. Kaya lang may ibang plano si Lord, binigay ka agad sa akin. Iba yung nangyari, yung katrabaho yung pinahal ko, imbis na yung trabaho.
Thank you sa pagpapalaki sa akin. Ako igbabawi.
Wala siyang kaparehas, wala siyang katulad, basta siya lang ang nag-iisa talaga. Sobra-sobra kong mahal yung taong yan at alam kong mahal na mahal niya rin ako.
It's been a while since we've been alone. So turn off the world and the telephone.
Maingay. Maliit na babae pero maano yung boses. Yung boses niya lagi nangingibabaw kasi nga masayahin na tao. So yung tawa niya lagi yung nangingibabaw. Aminin ko, hindi ko may papangako sa yung perpektong relasyon. May time na magtatalo tayo, di magkakasundo, mag-aaway, pero isa lang sinisigurado ko sa iyo, hindi tayo maghiwalay.
In our union, I promise to choose love every day. Even on the darkest of days, I will choose to see the light within you and within our love.
Tonight, one-on-one by the candlelight, over and over we spend our lives, living fast forward but not tonight, love in slow motion.
Mas close kay Paul yung lola ko sa mother side. Lagi niya hinahanap si Paul kesa sa akin. Sobrang favorite niya yung si Paul.
Yeah, we commit to so many things, but not to ourselves. And I apologize.
Ang pag-ibig na nagbubuklod, ang pag-ibig na nagpapanatili, ang pag-ibig na humahamon sa buhay. Kung humantong man sa hindi pagkakaunawaan, huwag sanang humantong sa sakitan o bangayan. Mag-usap at alalahanin ninyo ang araw na ito na kayo nagtatapat sa harapan ng Diyos. Maging tapat palagi sa isa't isa. Magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos. Laging magdasal bilang isang pamilya.
And I wanna love tonight, one-on-one by the candlelight. Over and over we spend our lives, living fast forward but not tonight. Love in slow motion.
From the moment we met, you have filled my life with boundless happiness and love. You've been my rock, my inspiration, and my best friend. With you by my side, I am fearless, for together we can conquer any obstacle that comes our way.